Alright, I'm going to give you a tip here on these crappy jerry cans that don't have a vent when you buy them. I don't know why they make junk like that. I was actually going to throw this one out. This one, obviously, it's for diesel, it's yellow. Anyway, what I do is I'll, maybe you don't have tire valve stems or whatever kicking around. I've got old ones, I fix my own tires. So anyway, what I do is I'll take an old tire valve stem like that. I'll cut off this black plastic here, and then the shank down here is a little bit longer. Here's one here that I've done and I've used before on something else. I soldered it onto a can so I can pressurize it. But anyway, you cut that shank off a little bit so it's not as long. What you do is take calipers, you measure that, and then you go one size smaller with the drill bit, and you drill a hole. Drill a hole right somewhere in here with the drill bit, but don't go too far and come out the bottom. Anyway, what you do is you one size smaller drill bit, then you take some Seal. It's glue, it's in a tube. Anyway, you put it on here, put it around that shank, and you just pop it in that hole. You know, it's a little bit smaller, but it'll fit good in there. Anyway, then you just leave it set for a while and take out the core though, otherwise it's not going to vent. Otherwise, I'd be throwing out these cans because these cans are junk the way they are. And if you guys don't have any around, you could probably go to a tire shop and they'll give you some of these, so they just throw them in the garbage anyway. So you can take, get a bunch of them. You could fix all your jerry cans. Anyway, then I just use a cap. This is a metal cap. Sometimes you have plastic, but you can see in there it's vents and it works just like it's supposed to. And I don't have to throw out this crazy can. Anyway, it's just a little tip.